Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a row. Deleting rows is a fundamental skill for maintaining clean and accurate data, whether you are working in a spreadsheet or a database. We will cover several straightforward methods, ensuring you can efficiently remove unwanted information. Understanding these techniques will help you keep your datasets organized and precise, saving you valuable time and effort in your daily tasks. When working in spreadsheets, deleting a row is quite simple. First, locate the row number on the left side of your sheet. Right-click on this number and a context menu will appear, offering a delete option. To delete multiple rows, select them by clicking and dragging, then right-click. For even faster deletion, try using keyboard shortcuts like Control- on Windows or Command- on Mac. In a database environment, deleting rows typically involves using SQL commands. The primary command is delete followed by the table name. It is crucial to include a where clause to specify which rows you intend to remove. For example, delete from customers where customer ID equals 123 will remove only that specific customer. Without a where clause, the command will delete every single row, so always proceed with extreme caution. Before deleting any rows, especially in large datasets or databases, it is always a best practice to create a backup of your data. This simple step can save you from irreversible data loss. Always double-check your selections and conditions, particularly when using where clauses in SQL, to ensure you are only removing the intended rows. Be mindful of data integrity and any linked information that might be affected by your deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.